the son, and Samoa, the daughter. On her neck rests the ulaniko, which is known to be the important accessory of the traditional Samoan dance outfit. Wrapped around her waist is the ietopa. The ietopa is of importance to the Samoan culture and is a custom that goes back to many years. The ietopa has an unwoven fringe and two strips of red and blue feathers that represent the colors of Samoa's independence. Beneath the ietopa, Hope is wearing a siako, which complements her Samoan. The siako, also known as tapa, is one of the only Samoan cultural art forms. The siako is adorned with the aka, which is made from the husk of coconuts and is used at many Samoan material culture, including ceremonial items such as the pui used all the time. The reverse side of the ietopa shows the navy blue material with the white strip along the bottom, which represents the Mau uniform worn by the people of the Mau. To complete Hope's traditional wear tonight are the laukis placed on each arm and ankles. Hope's overall look portrays the celebration of the Mau movement that gained Samoa independence. Samoa, more Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5,
not least is contestant number 6, sponsored by the Toronto family. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, June Nive Vasili Yueli.
June's traditional representative of not only the blood spilled by our forefathers during their fight for independence, but it's also the red and blue colors of Samoa's national flag. The tapa cloth, made into a belt, complements the full garments. As Samoa celebrates 50 years of independence, we are mindful of our forefathers who fought to give Samoa its own identity and create a future for its people.